The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Every rider knows that falling isn't failure, it's part of the ride. Scratches heal, bikes get fixed, but what really matters is the courage to stand up, start again, and keep riding forward. Life's not about avoiding the fall, it's about learning from it, growing stronger, and proving to yourself that you can always rise. On the open roads of Vietnam, that truth comes alive. The ride teaches resilience, patience, and power, not from perfection, but from persistence. Every bump, every setback, every moment of doubt only adds to the story that defines you. In 2026, ride with heart. When life knocks you down, rise, twist the throttle, and keep going. Because true glory isn't in staying upright, but in getting back on the bike.
Anh biết giờ làm nào cho đầu nó cân không? Đổ phát ngược lại.
Xong nhỏ.
Nãy là trượt bánh sau à anh? Trượt bánh sau à?
Không, anh trượt bánh trước. Anh đang quay lại cách cái anh ngã.
Don't be crying.